Hello, I'm Rarindra. There are many people asking why my photos look sharp and detailed on Instagram or Facebook. To be honest, it is not because the original pictures are all sharp, but there is a last step in post processing when I prepare the image to be posted on social media that make my pictures look sharp. Let's see how I usually do. Okay, after completing all the editing process, make sure the photo color profile is sRGB, so not Adobe RGB. Why? Simply because internet use sRGB. So now we see the difference. Many people are disappointed to know that the posted photos looks degraded in color quality because they use a color profile other than sRGB, usually Adobe RGB. Now resize the image. So go to image size, of course, and then I set to 1300 usually. Check the Resample big cubic smooth gradient. Now the photo looks smooth, but I don't want Photoshop to sharpen it automatically for my picture, so prefer do it manually later. The photo looks nice with perfect rendering, but some part looks down. Now let's start do local or partial sharpening by duplicate layer first, then go to filter, sharp, sharpening, add masking, invert to black. Now start brushing the area that we expected to look sharp. The area lot of details, area in focus field are area that I usually intend to be brushed. However, I usually avoid the sky, calm water, and the face of children or young people, especially women, to look sharp. Sometimes even the opposite, I make them smoother by reducing with noise reduction. Change the opacity around 70 to 100%. And the last step is also one of the most important. And then go to File, Export, Save for Web, and then make sure you again check sRGB, and this is the most important. So I usually use a PNG 24. Social media allows us to use PNG in addition to JPEG. PNG is a lossless format. It means it is uncompressed file, not like JPEG. And after everything is done, we can make all the setting as a preset for your next project. The memory size indeed is larger by 2 or 3 times than JPEG, but it doesn't affect anything when we upload or when photos are accessed by your audience. That's all. Thanks for watching.